This is our yard and our pool, and yeah, and my name is we post videos, and this is my friend Selasha. Hello, and this we can show my yard, and come I show you the side. This is very dirty. Well, okay. Doesn't matter, and I'm usually at this the one that posts the videos. I'm the cameraman. Yeah, and this is how it looks. It's so dirty, guys. But let's not go down back. Like I'm also gonna post videos about my growing my plants, and I hope you guys support me. I want to get over there, but oh crap, it's dirty. There's a dog. Crap. And bye guys, this is it. Just when I saw my yard, and there's a dog over there. Say, that's everything, my friend here, and yeah.